How to disable automatic Windows update on your PC. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to easily disable the automatic Windows update. So let's say if you are working on your computer and suddenly a Windows update pops up and your computer automatically starts to restart, then that can be quite annoying sometimes. So if you want to completely disable your automatic Windows update, just follow these simple steps till the end. First thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R. And here you are just going to search for services.msc. It will open up a new window. Now you can just click on any application and search for Windows Update. And it will directly take you to W. So from here you can just find Windows Update. And once you find Windows Update, click on this. And on the startup type, make sure that it is set to disabled. Click on apply and then OK. So once you have done that, this is the first step. Now the second step is to completely disable the Windows Update. Now you're going to do the same thing, press Windows plus R, but this time you're just going to type in regedit on your search bar and hit enter. Press on yes and your registry editor will open up. So here the first thing you're going to do is open up HK local machine. From here head over to software, and from software you are going to find policies. So scroll down until you find policies, click on this, and from here head over to Microsoft. Now on Microsoft you are going to create a new key called Windows Update. So just right click on Microsoft, click on new, and then create a new key. Just name it Windows Update, and once that is done, hit enter. And under Windows Update you're going to create a new key again and name it AU. Make sure that this is both capital. So once you hit AU, just click on AU, and on the right side of your screen you are going to create a new dword 32-bit value, and you're going to name this no auto update. Make sure there is no space in between, and all of the first letters are capital. Once that is done, hit enter, and on the value you are going to set this as 1 and then hit OK. And once you close this out, your automatic Windows update should be now disabled, and it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.